2024 Lotus Emira Review, a miracles in every step of life. In the realm of high-performance sports cars, Lotus has long been a name synonymous with driving purity and exhilaration. The introduction of the 2024 Lotus Emira further solidifies the brand's commitment to delivering a truly exceptional driving experience, blending cutting-edge technology with the raw essence of motoring. As automotive enthusiasts and critics eagerly anticipate its arrival, this review explores the key features and innovations that make the 2024 Lotus Emira a remarkable specimen in the world of sports cars. Design and aesthetics. The 2024 Lotus Emira boasts a design that seamlessly marries form and function, exuding an aura of aggressive elegance. The sleek silhouette is a testament to Lotus' commitment to aerodynamic efficiency, ensuring not just head-turning aesthetics, but also improved performance. The use of lightweight materials, a hallmark of Lotus engineering, further enhances the car's overall balance and maneuverability. Powertrain and performance. Underneath the striking exterior lies an array of powertrain options that cater to different driving preferences. From a roaring internal combustion engine to a forward-thinking all-electric variant, Lotus offers a powertrain for every discerning driver. The range-topping internal combustion engine, possibly a refined version of Lotus' proven V6, delivers heart-pounding acceleration and an exhaust note that's bound to stir the soul. On the other end, the all-electric Emira promises instantaneous torque delivery, catapulting the car into the future while maintaining Lotus' commitment to delivering a visceral driving experience. Driving dynamics. Lotus has always been celebrated for its unparalleled driving dynamics, and the 2024 Emira is no exception. The car's chassis has been meticulously tuned to provide a delicate balance between nimbleness and stability. With precision steering, responsive handling, and a focus on driver feedback, the Emira promises a level of engagement that few sports cars can rival. Whether tackling twisty mountain roads or carving through city streets, the Emira's chassis and suspension setup make every drive an event to remember. Interior and technology. Step inside the Emira's cabin, and you're met with a blend of modernity and driver-centric design. The cockpit wraps around the driver, emphasizing the car's performance-oriented nature. Premium materials, impeccable craftsmanship, and minimalist aesthetics contribute to an environment that's as luxurious as it is purposeful. Advanced infotainment and connectivity features seamlessly integrate with the driving experience, enhancing convenience without detracting from the car's core mission, delivering driving pleasure. Safety and innovation. Lotus has historically focused on the thrill of driving, but the 2024 Emira also showcases the brand's commitment to safety and innovation. Advanced driver assistance systems provide an extra layer of security, ensuring that drivers can enjoy the Emira's capabilities with confidence. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, these features demonstrate Lotus' adaptation to the evolving landscape of automotive technology. Conclusion. In the world of high-performance sports cars, the 2024 Lotus Emira stands as a testament to the brand's enduring legacy and relentless pursuit of driving excellence. With its captivating design, exhilarating performance options, and meticulous attention to detail, the Emira caters to the desires of both traditional enthusiasts and those embracing the electric future. As automotive technology evolves, Lotus remains firmly rooted in its commitment to delivering a driving experience that transcends the ordinary, making the Emira a beacon of excitement in an ever-changing automotive landscape. Pros. 1. Exhilarating performance. The 2024 Lotus Emira offers a range of powertrain options that cater to different driving preferences, from a powerful internal combustion engine to an all-electric variant. Regardless of the choice, the Emira delivers exhilarating acceleration and dynamic handling, providing drivers with an adrenaline-pumping driving experience. 2. Precision driving dynamics. Lotus' reputation for exceptional driving dynamics is upheld in the Emira. The car's chassis is expertly tuned to deliver precise steering, responsive handling, and a level of engagement that is unmatched in its segment. Whether on twisty roads or the racetrack, the Emira's driving dynamics shine through. 3. Striking design. The Emira's design strikes a balance between elegance and aggression. Its sleek silhouette is not only visually appealing but also aerodynamically efficient, contributing to improved performance. The car's aesthetics captivate onlookers while paying homage to Lotus' heritage of minimalist and purposeful design. For a luxurious interior, inside the Emira, drivers are greeted by a driver-centric cockpit that exudes luxury and functionality. Premium materials and impeccable craftsmanship create a refined environment, and the minimalist layout ensures that the focus remains on the driving experience. The integration of advanced technology enhances convenience without compromising the driving essence. 5. Advanced technology. While Lotus has always been associated with pure driving experiences, the Emira embraces modern technology without diluting its core identity. The inclusion of driver assistance systems adds an extra layer of safety, enhancing the overall driving experience. Infotainment and connectivity features seamlessly blend with the driving environment. Cons. 1. Limited practicality. As is often the case with high-performance sports cars, practicality takes a back seat in the Emira. The emphasis on performance and driving dynamics can result in limited interior space and cargo capacity, making it less suitable for everyday errands or long trips with luggage. 2. Rough ride comfort. The Emira's focus on driving precision might translate to a stiffer ride compared to more comfort-oriented vehicles. This can make daily commuting on uneven roads less comfortable, potentially causing some fatigue during extended drives. 3. Higher maintenance costs. High-performance sports cars like the Emira often come with higher maintenance and servicing costs. Specialty components, performance-focused engineering, and potential rarity of certain parts can contribute to increased ownership expenses over time. 4. Limited accessibility. Given its status as a sports car, the Emira might have limited accessibility in certain scenarios. Low ground clearance and potentially wide dimensions could make it challenging to navigate certain parking structures, urban environments, or regions with particularly uneven roads. 5. Price point. The Emira's combination of performance, design, and engineering excellence comes at a price. While enthusiasts willing to invest in an extraordinary driving experience might find it justifiable, the Emira's premium positioning could be a barrier for those seeking a more affordable sports car option. In conclusion, the 2024 Lotus Emira presents a compelling package that marries performance and driving purity with modern technology and aesthetics. Its pros, including exhilarating performance, precision driving dynamics, and striking design, offer a thrilling driving experience for enthusiasts. However, potential cons like limited practicality and higher maintenance costs are factors that buyers should consider in light of their preferences and priorities.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.